Video 9 of 30. A lot of people will call my office and ask, should I send a notice of fulfillment or should I send a waiver if I've actually completed my inspection and I want to firm up my deal? Now, here's the answer. You can use either form really. A lot of people say that you shouldn't use the notice of fulfillment because you're basically indicating to the recipient of that notice of fulfillment that the condition is in fact satisfied. That may create a bit of a gap insofar as your rights might be concerned in the long run. On the other hand, when you're sending a waiver, you're not confirming that you've satisfied the condition or not. You're basically waiving your right to it. You're not admitting one way or another that the inspection was satisfactory. You're simply saying, I'm just removing the condition and going firm. Now, you as a seller, if you're on the receiving end of a waiver or a notice of fulfillment, your main goal is to have that condition removed. Whether it's a notice of fulfillment or a waiver shouldn't really matter. Don't reject that document. Accept it so that your transaction can proceed. Ricky Rathore here again, broker owner at Remax Metropolis, real estate lawyer at Rathore Baig Professional Corporation. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.